All right, now we're going to do some work. You need to turn to page 13 in your workbook. If you need some extra time to get there, pause the video until you get to page 13 in your workbook, okay? Number 1, we're going to do together. I'm going to read the problem. Vicki has 8 stickers. She gives 2 stickers to Judy. How many stickers does Vicki have now? Now, I already filled in my Math Mountain. I knew that my total was 8 because she had 8 stickers and then she gave some away. So if she gave some away, that's going to be a subtraction problem, which means that I know that 8, my total, goes at the top of my Math Mountain, and my add-ins go over here. Now, she gave away 2, so I knew that number, and I needed to solve it, and I found 6, okay? So I already did that one. You just need to fill it in. So yours should look like this. It should have an 8 at the top as your total, it should have a 2, and it should have a 6 at the bottom, okay? And your equation will look like this, okay? 8, if my marker will write, 8 minus 2 equals 6, okay? So they have 8 minus 2 for you. All you have to do is fill in 6. All right, let's do the next one. And I'm not going to do all of it. I'm just going to erase and have a blank Math Mountain, even though they have part of it filled in for you. I'm going to have a blank Math Mountain. This is for number 2. At the park, Rashid counts 4 birds. His sister counts 5 birds. How many birds do they count together? Am I looking for a total or a part? I'm looking for a total. So I'm going to be doing an addition problem, which they already showed you, okay? So we have 4 plus 5 equals, Okay, so to fill in our Math Mountain, we'll do 4 and 5, because remember, we could add them together to get our total. We could put our plus sign down here. We don't need to, though, because we know that. Okay, so if we add 4 and 5, we get 9. So those are your answers for number 2. All right, let's do number 3 together as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase this so we're ready for number 3. And I'm going to make it look just like theirs on the workbook page, okay? So they gave us that our total is 10, and they gave us that we have 3 boxes because we don't know. So I'm just going to put a line. Line minus line equals line, okay? And I just did lines because it's easier to draw on here than boxes, okay? They're boxes in your workbook. All right, we have 10, but I'm going to read the problem because I don't really know what's happening yet, so I don't know what they're asking me to do. Oh, Dallas played on the computer for 10 minutes. Liam played on the computer for 3 fewer minutes. Ooh, fewer means less, so that's why I know it's going to be a subtraction problem. Good, they had the right kind in there. 3 fewer minutes than O'Dallas. How many minutes did Liam play on the computer? Ooh, O'Dallas played for 10, so that's what I'm going to start with. Minus how many fewer did Liam play? Liam played on the computer for 3 fewer. So that means I'm going to minus 3 equals, so I know 3 is going to be one of my numbers down here. So I need to count up from 3 till I get to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is my answer. 10 minus 3 is 7. All right, I want you to pause the video, okay, and turn to page 14. See how I'm turning my page? You turn your page too. Turn to page 14 and pause this video and do numbers 4 and 5. All right, now we're back after you did numbers 4 and 5. We're going to go over them together, okay, just to see if you got the right answers. All right, so at halftime, Tasha's soccer team had 2 points. Then they scored some more points. At the end of the game, Tasha's team had 5 points. How many more points did Tasha's team score? Okay, so we have, it looks like this. We have plus equals and then we have more points. I can't see what I'm writing. I hope that looks That's not very good handwriting, but you can kind of see it. Well, I guess you can't even see it. Here, let me turn. There, now we can see it. It's not very good handwriting, but you can tell it says more points. Okay, and then we have a math mountain. Okay, we might need a math mountain to solve our equation. So, she had 2 points. So we started with 2. 2 and some more. Ooh, they scored some more. We don't know how many more. 2 and some more make however many points they had at the end of the game. Their total goes at the top of our math mountain. They had 5 at the end of the game. So we have 5 at the top of our math mountain. It equals 5. 2 plus how many equals 5? So I need to count up from 2 until I get to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 3 dots. 3 is my answer. So they scored 3 more points. That should be what you got. All right, if you don't understand how that works, I want you to start over on that problem. Pause the video, rewind it, and go back to where I explained this again, okay? I want you to try again and then watch the video again and see if it makes sense, okay? Now, we are going to use the information in the math mountain. So I've got to draw my math mountain so that you see what you have on number 5. They gave you 10 up here, and they gave you that it's 6 down here. I don't know why my marker's not working. And then they asked what this one is. We don't know what that one is. Okay, we know we have 10 and we have 6. Use the information in the math mountain to complete the problem. Write the equation. Ooh, an equation is our number sentence, right? So that's what we're going to be writing. All right. Devi made 10 bookmarks. Oh, sorry. I'm reading out of the answer book. I read you the answer. Devi made bookmarks to sell at the craft fair last weekend. He sold bookmarks on Saturday. How many bookmarks did Devi have left to sell on Sunday? Okay, they gave us our total. So we know that he made 10. So that first blank should be 10. Devi made 10 bookmarks to sell at the fair last weekend. He sold, how many did he sell? What's one of our parts? 6. He sold 6 on Saturday. How many were left? 10 minus 6. What is that going to be? We could use our math mountain to solve it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots? 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, and they had it written this way across. 10 minus 6 equals 4. He had 4 bookmarks left. Okay, you do not have to do check understanding. If you have pages 13 and 14 done in your workbook, you can come back and show them, and then you can start with your homework.